What's the kindest thing a stranger has ever done for you? I was in a different state when I got a call from my wife saying our teenage daughter had just attempted suicide and is in the hospital. She might not make it. I checked the flights home immediately, but the next flight was the next day. I rushed to the airport anyway to try find some way to get home ASAP. I begged the staff to help me, but they told me they couldn't help, and they didn't let me buy the ticket for the flight to my border state, all because they wouldn't accept cash, which is all I had. I left the airport defeated and bawling. While walking out of the airport, some guy saw me ugly crying and asked what was wrong. I explained that I needed to get home for my daughter. Immediately he said he would help me out, then told me to stay here. He made a call, and 15 minutes later told me to follow him outside. We went around the back, and there was a private jet. He told me he owned it, and he'd like to fly me to the hospital. I asked him why he was at an airport if he owned a jet, and he said he flies commercial because he enjoys the social aspect of flying. But for emergencies, a private jet is useful. He spent the flight telling me things will be okay. My daughter survived, and me and this guy are still in touch.